So this asks you to do a mail merge. A mail merge is when you use, or you want to write a letter to somebody and you've got the contents of a letter and you get Microsoft Word, for example, to mail merge it, which means it takes information from another document such as this information here, and it means that when you put this information into Word, it will automatically put their addresses and names and things like that in, so that you can send letters. Now this could be populated with thousands and thousands of contacts, and when you do the mail merge, it would mean that you would be able to send a letter very simply to thousands of people, for example. In our example, there's only a few people here, and I'll show you how to do the mail merge and what it looks like. So the two documents you need open are 16 mail RTF, so you just double click on that document and it opens in Word, and that's what I've just done here. Okay, send S16 mail. And you also need the S16 distributors. You double click on it and it opens up like this. Okay, in fact I've just done that just to show you. You can close this one down. You won't be able to mail merge if you've got this open. Okay, but you do need to open the S16 mail. What you need to do then is you need to select recipients. So you're selecting that Microsoft Excel or the Excel document I just showed you. So you need to select recipient and go to use existing list because it's already there, and you need to find that source file. I've still got it on the shared area. You might want to put it into your area by now. So Key Stage 4 IGCSE pass paper 2 and 216 specimen. So I'm looking for this distributors one. Okay, I'm pressing open like that. Okay, so what you can do now is here you can see that you're replacing some of this text with a merged field. Okay, so instead of first name there, we're inserting first name. Okay, like that, and then we can get rid of this bit. You can see there's a subtle difference between the text that's already there and the one I'm inserting. Oh, thank you. No, didn't went too far. So go back there. Now when I preview the results of bringing this field in, you can see that actually it is a name which corresponds to the name on that Excel spreadsheet I showed you earlier. So instead of contact name here, I need to get rid of that, and I'm going to put in a merge field for contact name again, and there it is. So if I go back to here, I can switch between the mail merge view and the preview of the results that will be. Okay, so instead of address 1 here, I'm going to put in insert merge field address 1, and then on the next slide, on the next one, I'm going to put in city, insert merge field city, and then underneath I'm going to put in region. Okay, and then I'm going to put in today's date. To do this, I can just go to quick part and field, and then I'm looking down here and I'm putting the date in. Okay, does it say anything about what the date needs to look at? Okay, in the format date, month and year. Okay, so let's just put in date, month and year. So check out again. Yeah, okay, so it's going to be that. Okay, so that's fine. And then here I'm going to just put in dear and change that to that bit again. So I'm going to go to mail-ins and insert first name again. Okay, so I'm pleased to confirm blah 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 blah. It says I need to proofread this. I need to put in for a country in here, so insert country. So every time you see one of these things, I'm putting the stuff in. Shipment spelt wrong. That should be a comma, but it looks very loose. And please arrange for import and distribution to your showroom. So if I right click on there, distribution is then spelled correctly. So I'm going to do all that. Add your name as the originator of the letter, the director. So I'm going to put my name in here. Okay, like that. And then include your center number and card number as reference to the letter. So let's have a look where reference is. There's the reference, so you need to put your name and candidate number in there. example. Centre number, county number, 0445, and then whatever your candidate number is. Okay. Proofread and spell check the letter. So let's proofread it, make sure it makes sense. I'm pleased to confirm that you have been selected as our main distributor for. So it needs a full stop there. Like that. Welcome. Your first manifest of cars which are now ready for export to you are now preparing for shipment. So now ready for export to you and are preparing for shipment, will be sent shortly. That's fine. Please arrange for import and distribution to your showrooms. Yours sincerely. So that looks okay. And if I preview results, it looks like that. So you can see that all the things I want to put in are in there. There's nothing that looks out of the ordinary there. So let's go back here. It says here, print out your master document with displays with fields displayed. So I'm looking to print it out like that. So I'd go here now and I'd file and print. Okay, so you can do that. When it says fields displayed, it's on about these things here, the fields that you've just put in. Okay. Right, add a minimum of 3 features to the mail merge master document to suit a professional letter with reference to the house style specification sheet. So at the top, at the very start of the document, it said about house style specification, and it says at the top of each sheet of its company letters, Star Cars must have their company name and add a suitable logo. So I need to put Star Cars in at the top, so I need to do that. So let's move that down. So I can write the word Star Cars in here, and because it's the company name, I could probably try and make it bigger like that, and maybe I can change that color. I also want to documents and a suitable logo to represent the company. So I need to find a suitable logo from Google. So anything like that would be suitable, so I can copy and put that into my Word document. Boom. Copy image into Word, down here somewhere probably. It's massive, so I'm going to make it smaller and then put it up to the top. So I'm going to format it annoyingly. Probably make it like that and put it up there. Okay, so that would be fine. Let's go back. You could add further enhancements, so if you wanted to, you could put something else in. For example, insert a shape. You could put a line across there or something like that. It's up to you. I'm doing this really quickly, but you can sort of spend a bit more time on it. So something like that. And then let's go further down, back to this thing here. And here we go. Okay. Add a minimum of 3 features to memos to suit a professional letter with reference to the house style specification. Well, we've done 3 things because we put the logo in, we put the company name in, and we put a line in, and that's fine, so you get a mark for that. It says merge the letters to only the distributors in Spain and Germany and provide screenshot evidence of the selection method you used. Right, so this is something else we need to do. If we go back to mail-ins, we can edit recipients there, and we're looking for just Germany and Spain, so we can take out the ones we don't need and then press OK. So we should have Max and Pablo as people that we can see. So if we go to preview, there's Max, and if we go across, there's Pablo, and that's the only 2 we've got, Max and Pablo. So that works. So as a screenshot, we could take a screenshot of that. Okay, that's fine, and put that into our evidence document. That's what it asks for. place an evidence of in your evidence document, and then it says print the merged letters. So make sure you've entered the center number, candidate number, and name on the merged letters. So you make sure when you print this off, you've got your center number, candidate number, and that's all on there anyway. Okay. I don't think you're probably going to have to do it anywhere else, because you've already been asked to do that there, and there. Okay, so you could print. What you can do now to print them is you need to finish and merge, and you can print documents like that. Or what you could do is edit them like that, and they come out as two documents like that. Okay. Once you've done that bit, you're able to then file and print them two out. Okay.